What's up, it's Anson here. Today I'll be showing you guys the unboxing of the Neewer photo tent studio from Amazon. What you're gonna get is an adapter, and some colored background sheets. You got yellow, gray, and white, and black. I'll show some demo shots at the end here. Just gonna do a quick unboxing. So you got some package protection, don't need that. We've got the front door, I think. Contact, user manual, save that for later. And then if you take a look here, it looks like that. Folds once. Once you have it folded open here. This is my first time opening it too, so just showing you guys if it's easy to use or not. So it looks like this. And then here are the power adapters for your lighting. Here's a door if you want to shoot from the top. And there's another door here if you want to shoot from the side. It also opens all the way here. This feels a little bit cheap, but as long as it gets the job done, it wasn't too expensive anyways. So here, if you flip this around, that's what the LED area looks like. It changes temperature as well and brightness. And then down here, you can just fold this up and it velcros to the side there. And I believe you can fold it up this way as well. Just like that. Be careful of the LEDs there, they're kind of sharp. Just got scratched, but I'm still alive. So all four sides are Velcro, as you can see. It's not bad so far. If you want to improve your product photography for selling stuff online, this is definitely the way to do it. Let's see what's in this adapter kit. As you can see, this sets up really fast and it collapses just as fast. Just fold this down, fold it this way, and the other side, fold it that way, just like that. Setup takes like less than 20 seconds. Show you the test shots later, but that's what the actual tent looks like. Let's take a look and see what accessories are included. Bruh. Just a power cord, nothing special. So anyways, that's the unboxing of this Neewer studio tent. There are Velcro stickers on here as well, on each of the backgrounds, so you can stick it inside. Very basic product, as you may expect. I'll follow up with some test shots at the end of this video. Hope this video helped you guys out on deciding if that's a good purchase or not. I would say the build quality is like out of 10. This is like a 5, 4. It'll last for a year at least, I'm assuming. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you got any questions or comments, you can leave them down below.